In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your images onto your computer quickly and cleanly. First, open Magnific on your desktop at the main app page. Give the page a moment to load so your workspace and recent creations appear. You should see the familiar interface with a left-hand sidebar and your content area on the right. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Projects. This is where Magnific collects your work so it's easy to browse. After the Projects view opens, you'll see your images displayed as thumbnails in a grid. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the right project. The title and preview thumbnails should help you spot the image you want. If you have a lot of work, a quick visual scan of the thumbnails is often faster than opening items one by one. When you've found the image you want, move your mouse over its thumbnail. As you hover, a small toolbar appears on the image. Click the download icon. It typically looks like a downward arrow. The moment you click it, your browser will start saving the file. Most systems place it in the default downloads folder, but if your browser is set to ask each time, you can choose a location on the spot. After the download completes, it's a good habit to check the saved file. Make sure the image opens, looks sharp, and matches the version you intended to grab. If you work with multiple versions or upscale variations, the thumbnail you hovered over is the one that gets saved, so hovering is a helpful way to double-check before clicking. For tidy archives, consider renaming the file right after it downloads so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Go to Magnific, open Projects on the left, hover the image you want, and click the download icon. Simple, fast, and reliable for getting your images from Magnific to your desktop.